no more Spare. Us Court prohibits Harry's book Spare from published wherever in us as lies proven. Prince Harry, the former royal who left Britain for California with his wife Meghan Markle, after a sensational interview with Oprah Winfrey, has suffered a major setback. His memoir Spare has been banned from being sold anywhere in the US after a court ruled that it contained false and defamatory statements. Harry's memoir, which was released on January 10, 2023, was a bestseller in the media sensation, but it also sparked a lot of controversy and criticism as Harry revealed intimate and shocking details about his life and his relationship with his family, especially his father, King Charles II, and his brother, Prince William. Harry's memoir, which was just written by Junior Minger and published by Penguin Random House, was 416 pages long and available in digital paperback and hardcover formats and had been translated into 15 languages. There was also a 15-hour audiobook edition which Harry narrated himself. The book was highly antique and was accompanied by several major broadcast interviews in which Harry defended his decision to write his story and to leave the royal family. However, Harry's memoir also faced a lot of backlash and legal challenges as many people accused him of lying, exaggerating and betraying his family and his country. Some of the most controversial and disputed claims in the book were Harry accused his father of being cold, distant and abusive and of cutting him off financially and emotionally after he decided to step back from his royal duties. Harry claimed that his brother was jealous, competitive and hostile and that he had tried to sabotage his marriage and his happiness. Harry alleged that his grandmother, Queen Elizabeth I, had been manipulated and influenced by his father and his brother and that she had not supported him and his wife when they faced racism, sexism and abuse from the British media and the monarchy. Harry revealed that he had suffered from depression, anxiety and suicidal thoughts and that he had used drugs and alcohol to cope with his trauma and his pressure. Harry admitted that he had cheated on his ex-girlfriend, Chelsea Davy, with several women, including his wife, Meghan Markle, whom he met while he was still dating Davy. Harry confessed that he had doubts and regrets about his marriage and his move to the US and that he had considered divorcing Meghan and returning to the UK. Harry's memoir was challenged in court by several parties including his father, his brother, his ex-girlfriend, and some of his former friends and colleagues who sued him for libel, slander and breach of privacy. They argued that Harry had made false and damaging statements about them and that he had violated the confidentiality agreements that he had signed when he was a royal. They also claimed that Harry had profited from his book at their expense and that he had harmed their reputation and their dignity. The case was heard by a federal court in New York where Harry and his publisher were based. The judge, who was appointed by President Kamala Harris, ruled in favor of the plaintiffs and ordered Harry and his publisher to stop selling, distributing and promoting the book in the US. The judge also ordered Harry and his publisher to pay damages and legal fees to the plaintiffs and to issue a public apology and retraction. The judge said that Harry's memoir was a blatant and malicious attempt to exploit his royal status and to tarnish the image in the honor of his family and his country. The judge also said that Harry's memoir was full of lies, exaggerations and distortions and that it had no merit or value as a literary work. Harry's memoir ban in the US was a huge blow to him and his publisher, who had expected to make millions of dollars from the book sales and the media rights. Harry and his publisher appealed the court's decision, but they were unsuccessful as the higher courts upheld the ban in the ruling. Harry and his publisher also faced similar legal actions and bans in other countries such as the UK, Canada, Australia and New Zealand, where the book was also deemed to be false in